What if one of the most powerful natural remedies for stomach ulcers has been sitting in grocery stores this entire time, for less than the price of a soda? And what if I told you, researchers in the 1940s claimed cabbage juice healed stomach ulcers in just days, long before modern ulcer drugs even existed? Sounds unbelievable, right? But here's where things get interesting. Some people swear cabbage juice calmed their burning stomach pain almost immediately. For others, it's a digestive disaster. So what's the truth? Can cabbage juice actually help heal stomach ulcers and H. pylori? Or is this just another internet health myth? Today, we're diving deep into the science, the risks, and the right way to use it, so you don't accidentally damage your stomach even more. And we're stripping back the curtain on the vitamin U conspiracy. Is cabbage juice a forgotten miracle for H. pylori and ulcers, or are you about to give yourself the worst bloating of your life? The anatomy of a breakdown. To understand why cabbage works, you have to understand why you're hurting. Imagine your stomach is a furnace. It's filled with acid strong enough to dissolve metal. The only thing stopping that acid from eating you is a thin layer of mucus. But when stress, painkillers, or the stealth bomber, bacteria known as H. pylori punch a hole in that shield, you get an ulcer. It's an open wound, literally being doused in battery acid every time you eat. The forgotten science, vitamin U. Dr. Garnett Cheney. In his landmark study, he discovered something mysterious in raw cabbage juice. He called it vitamin U, for ulcus. Technically known as S-methylmethionine, this compound acts like cellular glue. It doesn't just neutralize acid, it actually stimulates the stomach to rebuild its own protective wall. In Cheney's trial, the average healing time for a peptic ulcer dropped from 42 days to just 7 days. But there's a catch modern health gurus don't tell you. The danger zone, why it fails. If it's so powerful, why isn't everyone drinking it? Because cabbage has a dark side. It is packed with complex sugars called oligosaccharides. If your gut microbiome is out of balance, or if you have IBS, this cure will ferment in your gut like a science experiment. We're talking extreme gas, painful cramping, and a bloated stomach look that makes you feel worse than the ulcer did. Plus, if you cook the cabbage, you kill the vitamin U. It has to be raw, and it has to be fresh. The protocol, how to do it right. If you're going to try this, do not, I repeat, do not start with a full glass. That's a one-way ticket to discomfort. Step 1. The shot method. Start with just 2 tablespoons. Step 2. The buffer. Mix it with celery or cucumber juice. Not only does this mask the sulfur taste, but it adds electrolytes to soothe the lining. Step 3. The window. Drink it on an empty stomach, 20 minutes before a meal. But remember, cabbage is the carpenter, but you still have to stop the fire. Phase 6. The final verdict. Is cabbage juice a miracle? The science says it has the tools to be. But modern medicine has the tools to stop the infection. The smartest move? Use them together. Antibiotics kill the H. pylori invaders. Cabbage juice acts as the construction crew to repair the damage they left behind. The question is, are you brave enough to try the juice that doctors forgot? If you've tried cabbage juice and it saved your stomach, or if it blew you up like a balloon, tell us your story in the comments. Your experience could be the missing piece for someone else's healing journey. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more deep dives into the science of the grocery store. Stay healthy and keep your gut guarded.